At times when I just have shawarma, I hardly have to eat any other thing for the rest of the day. So what about you? Can you have shawarma for your snack, or can you have it for lunch, breakfast, or dinner? Just let me know in the comment section as you're watching this video. Now the next on my list is this is like I don't know what you call it. Should I call it buns? Not really. Well, I don't know. Just let me know what you'll be calling this on the comment section. Maybe you could call it a buns roll, or I don't know. Yeah, because sometimes this particular one to me is just a snack. I can't have it as part of my meal. I can just have it like as a snack, maybe if I'm hungry during the daytime. Yeah, will you call this? This could be like a buns, or I don't know, like a fish roll thing. But it will only be fish roll if you added fish inside. But this